wanted to add in a couple add-ins about that event clip I put in about the lady who got the police officer angry. First things first, when I recorded that event, I did it on my Surface Pro, and the reason that I recorded on that Surface Pro is because I was using it to edit. I was just starting to edit that video I made while I was waiting for that accident and stuff to clear up. Looking back at that video, let me see. The woman actually had a point. Like, I know that y'all didn't really hear the stuff she started, what she talked to the police about before she got back in her car, but one of the things she mentioned to the police officer, I could hear it because she was really mad and annoyed with him at the beginning, was that they should have had a checkpoint, or they should have stopped cars earlier on. They shouldn't have just had the road closed off just at the accident scene. I totally agree with her. There was definitely a location where they could have just stopped all traffic from coming that way, and that place would have also gave truck drivers like myself a way to make a U-turn instead of having to wait there 3 hours for that whole road thing. I mean, that whole accident to clear up and the road to be open. So I waited there 3 hours, maybe 3 hours and 20 minutes for that road to open up again. And if they had actually closed it off and further down, further up ahead, then you know, there would have been no congestion at all, and there would be no cars waiting for that scene to clear up. So, totally agree with her.
In half a mile,
now, with my
take the interchange on the right.
Now, with my recording of how I recorded it, I really annoyed with once I saw how it came out. I was really annoyed with myself, but like I was mentioning earlier, the reason I even recorded with this Surface Pro is because I was using it to edit the video I made while I was waiting.
Then keep left at the fork.
While I was waiting for me to be able to continue on to my meeting turn. So yeah, so I'm like, good opportunity. So I just recorded it once I saw what was going on. But I really got annoyed with myself for how I was more focused on the event than my recording. So looking back at that video, I'm like, move your finger, get a better angle. And then I'm like, the steering wheel's in the way, you know? I get annoyed when I see interesting videos, but people are more interested in the event than they are in recording. And I see how that happens, you know. I once saw a truck pileup video, and I'm like, I got really annoyed at the dude who made that video, because I'm like, we can't even see what's happening. But now I know what was happening, why it ended up like that. It's because that guy was so interested in what was going on that, you know, his recording was just, he didn't really care. He wasn't focused on it. So yes. Was there anything else I wanted to mention? But yeah, I want to thank the people and I want to thank the people who suggested that I get nightshades, and also the people who advised me to get caffeine pills. They actually do help. Thanks. I also got the garlic supplements and the cayenne pepper. Cayenne? Wow. That escalated real quick. Sorry if there was some bad quality. Oh man, that kind of sucks. The mother has a child, but she seems to be getting arrested. Jeez, man, that was some really bad video recording. Really bad video recording. Whenever a cop tells you to stop. Because I mean, unless they're a security officer, security guard, those are the only kind of people who are in a 40 who you could actually afford to ignore if you're going to ignore anybody who has any kind of authority. Security officers, you don't ignore a police officer. So I know that lady was angry with the police officer, but whenever a police officer tells you to stop, you should stop. I mean, and after they tell you, once you see that you got a police officer angry, you need to ask either a friend if there's a friend with you in the car, or you need to start recording the whole, just start recording. Put your camera on or something immediately and start listening, complying with whatever the police orders you to do. So, like, once everything is said and done, you have proof of whatever, you complied with the police officer, and then after, then you could argue your case. It's never a good idea to ignore a police officer, definitely when they tell you to do something, And always CYA as a, that's another good thing to cover. Always especially. Most of your communication with dispatch will be either via the Qualcomm or on your smartphone, hopefully if you have a smartphone. So what you should definitely have on your smartphone as an OTR driver, even as a local driver, is a recording app where all your phone calls or specific phone calls with a specific number, they automatically get recorded. So if a dispatch gives you the wrong information and you follow that information, you always can show them, or if they get angry or whatever, that you have proof where if a dispatch is the one who gave you the wrong orders or told you the wrong information. Also, that's a good a recording app is also a good app to have when you have an argument with a family member or something like that, where you're like, I told you I said this, and you were the wrong one and they're wrong. Just saying, that's another good perk of having a recording app on your phone. So yeah, if you're any kind of truck driver, you should definitely have a recording app, a phone recording app. Yes. All right. Hopefully this is the last add-in. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.